11th August 2025, the Ekal Gramothan Foundation celebrated the re-inauguration of the Integrated Village Development Center at Begur, Chamarajnagar, along with a certificate distribution ceremony for students who had successfully completed tailoring and computer training. The center's donors, Mrs. Mridula Jyotiji and Shri Nandaji, graced the occasion, sharing their inspiring thoughts.
And Atmanirbharta, that is the main thing that we want to support. Atmanirbharta, वही है हमारा एक goal. So, Jai Hind, all the best to everybody. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ವಂದನೆಗಳು.
Thank you for all the volunteers here, starting for the leadership of Bhaskar ji here. You know, we sat in California maybe a year and a half ago, and talked about this, and it is nice to see this come to vision. And everybody that is here, the support team from Arogya and Shiv Kumar ji, everybody here. Really wonderful. We are so pleased to see this in action. It is nice to come here and see things are actually being put to work here. And we are leaving even more excited about Begur and this IVD and the future for all of you. So thank you for giving us the opportunity to do something like this here. And you know, we can see the excitement in people here. Your eyes are full of energy, and we can see the enthusiasm. So thank you very much from the bottom of our heart.
Ekal Gramothan Foundation extends heartfelt gratitude to both donors for their unwavering support. Your generosity is not just funding a center, it's shaping countless rural futures. Representing the three ayams of Ekal, Gramothan, Arogya and Vidyalaya, the event was a symbol of holistic rural development. Ekal Gramothan Foundation's Executive Director, Shri Bhaskar Sharma ji, spoke about the missions, saying,
what I actually wanted to put in front of everybody today, what we should do, we should learn what unity and strength. Like, I can see a lot of people who are joining us as a new member from the Arogya team as well as the Gramothan team over here. So you see below the word Ekal Abhiyan in our logo, it's a statement written, a people's movement. What does it mean? It means we will have to connect people. So that is all, and thank you so much all of you again, and thank you so much for the whole IVD Sampradaya.
And General Secretary Dr. Aradhna Sharma ji emphasized,
Ekal Gramothan Foundation. Gramothan Foundation ये IVD का सारा संचालन देखता है, जिसमें आप लोग सिलाई सीख रहे हैं, कंप्यूटर सीख रहे हैं और फार्मिंग ट्रेनिंग भी हो रही है. उसके अलावा आरोग्य का काम हो रहा है. यहाँ सेविकाएं बैठी हैं. ये बहुत खुशी है कि हम लोग आप लोगों के दिए हुए काम को आगे पहुँचा पा रहे हैं, और आप लोग इतना बढ़ चढ़ के सीख रहे हैं, इससे हमारा काम सार्थक होगा. आप लोग इसी तरह आगे बढ़ते रहिए और भारत को आत्मनिर्भर बनाने में अपना प्रयास करते रहिए. बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
The event was attended by dignitaries including P10 Prabhag President Shri Srinivas ji, South Bharat President of Arogya Foundation India Mrs. Sarita Bhansali ji, RSS Chamarajnagar District Pracharak Shri Praveen ji, entrepreneurs, coordinators and local leaders, all united to applaud the IVD Center's renewed role in creating opportunities and empowering rural lives. Ekal Gramothan Foundation extends heartfelt gratitude to Mrs. Mridula Jyotiji and Shri Nandaji for their unwavering support. Your generosity is not just funding a center, it's shaping countless rural futures.